Sunday fun day.
Yeah, day 2, San Jose. We woke up, we hung out at our friend's house. We had some homemade brunch and mimosas. And now we are at the Ample campus.
The Ample?
Ample.
Apple campus.
Yeah, they make computers and stuff.
I think so.
Yeah.
And they have a store here.
They do. I guess there's exclusive stuff that they only have here at the Apple store on campus. So our friend Eddie, he wants to get like accessories for his Apple Watch and stuff.
So we'll bring you. He's really happy right now.
Yeah. I own no Apple products. I'm not an Apple guy. Sarah has was it MacBook Air or whatever?
I have a MacBook Air. I mean, they don't need to know all this. They don't need to know.
That's what she edits the videos on.
That is true.
I'm more of a PC and Google kind of guy.
I like my hair. I like my hair.
Oh yeah, look at this.
I like my hair. I got my hair did.
Yeah, a friend of the house likes braiding hair, so she braids Sarah's hair in a different way every day.
Every day. I need to bring her to EDC with me.
Yeah. All right, we're going in.
I'll buy you a ticket. Just bring. No. I'll buy you a ticket. Just spray my hair. It's still here. It's still here.
It looks like an Apple store. So Eddie, what's at the Apple?
They have a restaurant, they have a store, they have an exhibition which includes AR, and what else do they got here? You can walk around, it's nice.
And they have $40 t-shirts.
And what's behind us?
Oh, the Apple working campus.
Yeah.
It's a spaceship.
Spaceship looking building out there.
Ta-da!
It looks expensive.
Yes, I think so.
I feel real bougie. You know I don't go out to nice places like this.
Why do you have glitter on your mouth?
Do I?
You do! Right, look. It's glitter on his mouth.
Don't ask.
What have you been doing, sir?
Things get crazy here at the Apple campus. So you know.
Glitter!